Hello everybody, so today we are talking Ghana, we are talking history, we are talking Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
There's this portion of a song, a Ghanaian song that says Ghana maya wawaruzo Jinomei menkase wonfa. Well, I believe you don't know where I am standing. Yes, that is why today I have brought you to a very important historic place in Ghana's history. First of all, why is history important? It's to help promote patriotism, inspire greatness and unity to the people of whatever country it is. Today we are at the Kwame Nkrumah Museleum. I believe you have heard, read and probably visited this place. This is the Kwame Nkrumah Museleum. This is the place where our first president, Dr. Osajifo Kwame Nkrumah, was buried. He and his Egyptian-born wife, Fatia Nkrumah. We say something like Fatia Fata Nkrumah. Yes, it's just a teasing phrase that Fatia fits Nkrumah. You love that, right? Let's continue the video. We are about to enter where our first president was buried, and this is the aisle where you will walk and meet him. Yes, so these are some bowing men who are playing flute, and this signifies that they are welcoming important dignitaries, they are welcoming important people. That is the notion that is being given to we as citizens or visitors of this place. So beautiful, so inspiring, so lovely. And then there's supposed to be water here. There's supposed to be water all around this place, but there's no water now. It also signifies life around us. Now, this is our noble, great man,
Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Another beautiful part of this whole museum is that this structure is assumed to be an upside down position of swords to symbolize peace. Another school of thought also says that this is a shape of an uprooted tree, which symbolizes the unfinished works of Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Let's go inside and see what we have there. So let's observe 1 minute silence for our great man and his wife. Now, respectfully, this is where our great man was finally buried. He was first buried in Guinea before the African Students Union in London wrote a memo to Guinea that they should bring the body or the remains of our first president to our country, Ghana. So when he was brought, this is the final burial place of our president. Now, on his left side is where we have his Egyptian-born wife, Fathia Nkrumah. This is a beautiful grave that was also made for her. Our mother, the spirit of Pan-Africanism. Yes, Fathia Nkrumah. This was the wife of our first Ghanaian president, Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. We also have one last thing to show you, the severed headed body of our first president. Come on, let's see. This is the severed head of our first Ghanaian president. It reads on it as the bronze head of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's original statue, which stood in front of the old Parliament House, Accra, vandalized during the February 24, 1966 military and police coup d'etat. This was recovered and presented by a patriotic citizen to the Information Services Department, which in turn released it to the park on May 28, 2009, mounted on the park on September 1st, 2009. So this is what we have here. So if you find yourself here and you wonder why the head is severed right beside it, this is the story behind it, and that is history for you. Everybody, so this is the end of the video showing you the historical place where our first Ghanaian president, Dr. Osagyefo Kwame Nkrumah, was buried. This is the Kwame Nkrumah Museleum. If you visit Ghana, do pass by, and I believe you've seen a lot of pictures and videos of people coming here. This is the story behind this place. For more of such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.